Alright, 2016 Yukon. Just picked it up. The driver's side taillight did not work. Checked out a couple videos. Some of the videos just show how you can take the taillight out and replace the entire taillight. And I don't feel like pissing away $200, so I took apart the taillight. I just took a Dremel, cut it along the glue line. Still not sure how we're gonna glue it back together yet, but seemed fairly simple. I just used the Torx, and I took it all the way apart. And as I was going through it, I took out both boards. There's a board there, there's a board right here. I followed everything I could find. I did notice once I took the shield off and everything else off, I plugged it back in, had the kids hit the tail or hit the brakes, and it came through really dim. So what I noticed was, see if you can see this. Gotta be a better way. All right. So if you notice, right there, it broke. And then, if you look down here, I probably can't get a good. Right there. It's cracked. You probably can't see it that well, but that little light color. Oh, that's a little better. So my guess is the way the circuits ran. Here we go. The way the circuits ran is hot, negative, or vice versa, hot, negative, hot, negative, hot, negative. Then this whole bar would be negative. Then this whole side would be hot. And then the cross, and then it comes down the rest of the way. This side's still negative, this side's still hot. Then it jumps, comes down, back and forth, and then completes the circuit right there. So I'm going to solder a wire from here to here. And I'm going to solder a wire from here to here. Then we're going to check it and see how it looks. Okay, so here's where I'm at so far. I just took the mounting bolt, put a wire, and I'm going to drill that one out and put a screw in there with a little RTV on the back. And same thing here. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to drill that one out. I'm going to put a little RTV in there. Screw that one down. That'll make up for the brakes. The crack there. And the brake right there. And then we're going to test it. See how she does. Alright, here we go. And we have brake lights. Ooh, let me see. Okay, do it again. Ooh, yeah. Cool. I love it.
I want to see now.
There. All we gotta do now is glue it.
Isn't it weird?
and we should be golden. I did try to do solder. That didn't work. This is the Dremel tool that I used. I went through like, let's see, like 3 of these. 3. Broke 3. Use a little drill to put in the screws for the wires. And that's it. And she works.